Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best carbon fiber tripods that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Neewer Carbon Fiber 66 inches Tripod Monopod. For anyone interested in getting the ideal carbon fiber tripod, this unit is a nice pick for your cameras. The unit has a foldable lightweight design, which allows for simple convenient portability. Besides this, the tripod got a load capacity of 26.5 pounds, making it a great pick for different sizes of cameras. Also, it has a 360-degree rotating head that will allow for convenient positioning of the cameras for reliable convenient use. This tripod is equipped with a 1/4 inches plate to offer universal compatibility with most sizes of DSLR cameras and phones. The product is adjustable to multiple heights, hence a nice pick to try out. At number 4, National Geographic Travel Photo Tripod Kit. Equipped with 5-section legs, the tripod is a special option you may consider. This allows you to easily position the tripod to multiple angles to serve your photography needs. Secondly, the product is crafted from the best quality carbon fiber material to withstand prolonged. Still, this product has a lightweight foldable design, making it a nice pick for your needs. It comes in a convenient carrying case for better portability. Still, you can use it with most DSLR cameras, iPhone 8, and iPhone 5 for reliable convenient use. At number 3, Vanguard VEO Carbon Fiber Travel Tripod. The adjustable height of the carbon fiber tripod is a consideration when buying the items. Here is a top-quality product you get to adjust from 15.875 inches to 57.1 inches, which suits it for every photography scenario and condition. Besides this, the tripod is sturdy and durable thanks to the high-quality first-rate carbon fiber material built. Still, the tripod has 3 angled leg positions you can move from 20, 45, and 80 degrees. The lightweight compact foldable design of the tripod makes it easily portable and convenient to store. This product features an ergonomic knob to easily use and regulate the operations. It has a maximum load capacity of 13.2 pounds, thus a nice option for most cameras. It features an innovative exclusive central column for a simple easy setting of the central column. At number 2, Peak Design Travel Tripod Carbon Fiber Tripod 5 sections. Here is a top-quality sturdy carbon fiber tripod you may consider for top-notch functionality. The unit has been carefully optimized for the full DSLR cameras and telephoto lens. Secondly, this product provides a maximum load capacity of 20 pounds, making it a great pick that will accommodate most cameras. To add more, the tripod features a unique design that allows for a quicker setup, and with the fast locking system, you will get it very convenient. This unit also features a stowable built-in mobile mount to use with your phone device. Additionally, the tripod is easily portable and convenient thanks to the lightweight compact foldable design. Still, this product is built from premium quality weatherproof impact-resistant material for a longer lifespan. Lastly, this tripod is adjustable from 14 cm to 152.4 cm, thus will suit all angles of video shooting. Finally, at number 1, Sirui Traveler 5C Tripod 54.3 inches 360 degrees Panorama Head 4 kgs. For your travel needs, this quality tripod is a nice option you may consider. The unit has a lightweight portable design, making it great for use whenever required. Secondly, the tripod is adjustable from 6.3 inches to 54.3 inches, which suits it to use in most places. Moreover, the unit has a maximum load capacity, making it a favorite for most cameras. Still, the tripod features a 3-position leg angle that offers great stability and suits all photography conditions and scenarios. It folds compact to 13 inches to conveniently store and transport. This tripod features a specially designed head, which rotates to 360 degrees, hence you get to move in every direction. Crafted from premium quality carbon fiber material, this product ensures great longevity and stability. The tripod is fitted with a quick release plate that got a 1/4 inches screw to use with most types of cameras. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.